Hey guys, welcome back to TJ's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you the very popular hot chocolate bombs. So cute. So here I have some melted white chocolate and I'm adding 2 drops of liquid food coloring, mixing it around, not fully, just to get a nice marble effect on it. Then I'm portioning them out into these little cute silicone heart molds. These were for Valentine's Day. Spreading them out along the sides with a little wooden skewer, making sure to get to the top, then flipping it over and shaking out the excess. I don't waste the excess, I scrape it up and reuse them, and then here I'm using my bench scraper to clean off the edges, make sure I get a nice edge on them. Then I put them in the fridge till they're cool and pop them out, and you see this really cute marble effect on them. I love them. Then I'm going to be adding some hot chocolate mix. This I did not make myself, just go according to the package, so I think mine was about 2 teaspoons. Then I top each of them with another chocolate heart and adding some melted chocolate. I am doing either a swirled effect or a cute little diagonal effect with some sprinkles on top. And I drink these with hot water. Let me know if you prefer hot water or hot milk in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.